are there. I want all the city names where customers are there. Just I want all the city names where there are customers. What do you write? Select city from customers, right?
Yes, sir.
This will give the list of all the cities where customers are there.
Yeah.
Hope you understood.
Yes,
No? I want all the names, the city names where there are customers. Okay, these are all the cities where customers are. But if you observe, why this city is repeated twice? Mexico, DF, London, Madrid, London again repeated, Mexico, DF again repeated.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that means if there are 10 customers in the city,
Yes, sir.
okay,
The
the
same
city name
city.
will repeat for 10 times, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But do I need to repeat that 10 times?
No, sir.
No, right? If I tell that, okay, London city, there are customers, that's enough, right? If I tell the city name one time, it is enough, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose in a company there are, for example, if there are 100 employees in a company, all these employees are from Hyderabad, Bangalore, like. If I say that, from which city all these 100 employees are there? If you tell one time, it's enough, right? Yeah, all these people are from Hyderabad and Bangalore. That's enough, right?
Yes, sir.
Hyderabad, 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 Bangalore, 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 Hyderabad, Hyderabad. No need to tell that many times, right?
Yes, sir.
All values repeated like that for 100 times because there are 100 employees.
Yes, sir.
So how do you restrict these duplicates in the output? No, when you display the output, how do you restrict the duplicates? Then we are using a word called distinct. So what is about distinct is used to restrict the duplicates. So right now 91 is displaying, right? Right now 91. After I write distinct and run the query. So what is the output you got only? 69.
69.
No city is repeated many times.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, even you can put the city names in ascending order if you want. Order by city. Yeah, now you see, no city is duplicated more than one time.
Yes, sir.
So in the output, if you want to restrict the duplicates, what is the keyword we are using? Distinct.
Distinct.
So distinct is used to restrict the duplicate. Right? Use it to restrict the
Duplicates.
what's in the output, right? Or otherwise,
What about null, sir?
Rather than I can say to filter. I can say better filter. Yeah. Yeah, tell me what is that?
What about null values if you have any?
Null will not display, right? Yeah, if more than one time null is there, null also will display one time.
Okay.
Yeah, if more than one time null is there, it will display null one time, right? Okay.
Sir, how can we define this group by, sir?
Group by is, say, I want to group some similar values and then I have to do some calculation, right? Some operation.
Okay.
Yeah, group by is used to group some similar values in a column. There's some duplicated values or similar values.
Distinct also is similar to that, or?
There is distinct like that. I'm not using distinct to group, right? Distinct is now if there is more than one time, I'm in the output, I want to display only one time. I'm not doing any aggregate, right? With the distinct.
Okay. Got it.
I use after this, did I use the distinct city, comma, did I say count like that? No, right? For output, if there are duplicate records are there, I want to take only one time. I want to filter it.
Yes, sir. Distinct is remove the duplicates, right?
Yeah, distinct to filter the duplicates, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
got it, sir.
Whatever you
Thank
can
you.
say. So I'm not physically removing the records in a table, but output purpose I am removing, right? In the output, I'm removing. No, physically
sir.
I'm deleting the duplicates in a table. No,
sir.
I'm
For
asking, right?
output
No, this query will it delete records in a table?
No, no.
No,
sir.
the
No.
output
For
it will
output
delete.
purpose, right? That's what
Yes,
I'm
sir.
saying. Use it to filter the duplicate records in the output.
The
Only
output.
for display purpose we are restricting, right? Removing the duplicates. Yeah. So for that we use distinct, not with group like that. Group is used. No, I want to group all the similar
The
cities.
identical data.
All similar values you want to group and you want to do something like count or sum or max or min or something you want to do. For that you are using group. This is only to filter the duplicates. Okay. Next, but suppose I want to select star from customers, but all customers are there, but somehow I want to select only first two customers or first three customers. Whoever is there, that first three customers I want to select. Then how do you select only first three customers?
Top 3.
So here also there is a
Limit.
difference in the SQL and MySQL. In SQL Server we write select top 2 star from customers. In SQL Server what do you write? I mean SQL Server or like that what do you write? Select top 2 star from customers. There is a difference in this syntax also. Select top 2 star from customers means we'll get whatever is there, first 2 records we will get. But whereas in MySQL, you need to say limit. Like this you have to write. So now what it is doing, the first 2 records only it is selected. So this is also difference is there between SQL Server and MySQL. Yeah, so now till now, wherever we discussed, where are the differences between other database and MySQL? One is date functions, there is a difference. Another is
operator.
top two like that, there is a difference. One of the operator also, right? Not equal to operator, there is a difference. Only not equal to operator, there is a difference. Between, not between, is null, is not null, all are same. Where conditional, select, all are same. Okay? Is okay, right? Select star from customer, limit to. Okay, but for example, you tell me, if I'm asking a question, I want to select the first 2 highest price products. I want to select the first 2 highest price products. Then the first 2 highest price products. What you can do? Think.
Select limit 2.
Think. Limit 2 means you will get only this first 2, right?
No, so we need to write that.
Order by
The max price.
Limit to max price.
Max price.
Max,
Order by
not max.
ascending price.
Order by price. DESC, right?
Yes, sir. Descending.
You
Limit.
put in descending order. See, you get all this in descending order.
Yes, sir.
Descending order. Highest price to lowest you will get, right? In descending
sir.
order. Now in this you limit to 2, right?
There is
Yes,
limit.
yes.
How can I say limit to 2?
Yes, sir.
Now you got only the highest price 2 products, right?
Yes, sir.
Price you are putting in descending order, then we are limiting, right?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
So like that you have to think, right? Oh. So what is the purpose of limit? Limit is used to
The
select
top 2 from the selected data.
Yeah, limit. What is the purpose of limit? Yeah, to select only few records, right? Select,
Yes.
and you can give some n right here. How many records? So n will tell how many, right? Limit how many. Select only a few, whatever that n records, right? Okay, so now distinct is there, limit is there. Okay, order by like that. So this is all what we can write in a single select statement to select data from one single table, right? All of you, this is to select data from one single table. Okay. But
Yes,
when
sir.
you have to select data from two or more tables, because always in a database, two or more tables have relations. Two or more tables have relations always. Always definitely there is a relations between two or more tables. Okay. Yeah, if you take any database tables, if you are doing database testing, developers will give this document to you. What are the tables in the database and what is the relation between the tables? What are the tables and what is the relation between the tables? All they will give you a document like this.
Yes, sir.
Take any image. You see here. These are the tables. These are the some tables. Okay. Between these two tables, what is the common column? So there is a condition ID here. Here also there is a condition. Between these two tables, what is the common column here?
Condition ID.
Condition ID, sir.
So these two tables they are mapping. And there is a common between these two columns.
Condition ID.
Condition
Here
ID,
also condition.
yes.
Between these two tables also condition ID. Oh, between these two tables, disease ID.
Disease ID.
Oh, these two tables have a relation based on finding ID.
Find grid finding ID.
So there is no relation between this table and this table, right?
Yes, sir.
So they are clearly, in case if you are doing database testing in your project, so developer have to give you this type of database model, document to you where it will explain, all the tables in your database system and what is the relation between the database tables, relation between the tables, and each table has what columns. Each table has what columns. Do you understand? Each table has what columns. You should write, oh, this table has what columns. Oh, between this table, what is the relation? Now this column is integer data type or character data type. You should know, right? So this document developer have to give you. In case if you are doing database testing, they have to give you this database model.
It's called schema, sir.
You can call schema, or you can call model, or you can call ER diagram, whatever.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is also called ER diagram, entity relationship diagram, or model diagram, or schema. Okay. So there is a relation, right? It will also tell you what is the common column between these two tables, right? Yeah, but these two tables, what is the column here? Between this table and this table, what is it? They gave something. Ticket ID, right?
ఏం లేదు సార్.
No, they are giving relation here.
Ticket ID అండి.
ఇది ticket ID, ఇక్కడ ticket
Container ID.
Different.
Name may be different, but there is the relation, right? They are telling between. Is there between these two tables also there is a ticket ID something, there is a
Ticket
relation.
ID.
Yeah, like that. So they are telling, right, what is the relation between the tables, and they will give you the diagram like this. Okay, right? So based on this, you can see where, maybe the output will display the tabular format only, right? When you select the data, that's fine. Okay, so when you see the tables, there is a relation between the tables, man. Okay, so when there is a relation between the, if I want to select data from more than one table, so then what is that I have to use? If I take, this is employee table, employee name, city, date of join, salary, and what is the department ID, in which department he is working. Okay, now here also suppose there is a department table which has a department ID, department name. Okay, who is the manager? Okay, what is the contact number? So like that, if it is there, what is the common column between these two tables?
Department
ID.
ID.
And here department ID. These two are common between these two tables.
Yes.
So there is a relation, right, between the two tables like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when there are many tables and there is a relation, I want to select data from more than one table. I want to select data from more than one table. So select data from
More than one table.
one table. Yeah, it can be more than one table. It can be 2 or 3 or 4, whatever it is. You want to select more than one table. Then we are using what we call joins.
Joins.
Okay. So what is the purpose of joins? So joins are used to select data from more than one table. More than one table.
One table.
So we do have different types of joins are there. Like we have different types of joins like one minute. I have yeah, see what are the different types of joins we have? See, if I take this circle, this is table 1 and this is table 2. Assume that there are two tables. This is table 1 and this is table 2.
Table 2.
Yeah, in both the tables, which records we got here? I'm trying to display only records which are common, right? This data.
One in both tables.
Yeah, this is the data which is common, right, between both the tables.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only I want only common data between both the tables. Then we will use a join called inner join or equijoin. Inner join or equijoin means this will get the records which are common in both the tables. Inner join or equijoin will get only records which are
Common in both the
same,
tables.
which are common in both the tables, that will get equijoin and inner join. Okay. Next, left outer join. Left outer join means this is if I take a left side table and this is right side table. If you see, we will get all records from the left side table and common records. What did we get? Common records as well as
Left side table.
Left
common
side.
records as well as all the records from the left side table. That's what, get all the records from first table and match it in both the tables. Right? The opposite is right outer join. What is right outer join? All the records.
Get all records from second table and matching records
and
from
common.
both tables.
Yeah, like this. All records from second table and common records. This is right outer join. Next, last one, full outer join. Full outer join will get all records from left table, right table, common things, everything we will get. This is called as full outer join.
Or full outer join.
So these are the 4 different types of joins are there. Equijoin, left outer join.
Left outer join, right outer join, full outer join.
So there is also one more type called a self join. That's what we call self join. Self join means, okay, see, normally in all these images, what did you see? We are joining 2 tables, right? 2 different tables we are joining. All these examples we are joining 2 tables.
The data.
Yes, sir. 2 tables.
Self join means same table you are joining with same table itself. Self join means you are joining same table with itself. Same table you are joining with itself.
Itself.
I will tell you later. So once letters after these 4 are completed, then I will tell you what is self join, right? The same table joining with itself is called as a self
join.
Self join.
Okay, right. Yeah. Just to understand one small example. Just one example I will tell you. Then remaining, I have some work today. We will do it on next Saturday.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, sir.
One example I will tell you for the equijoin. Rest we will do next week. Okay, suppose I have, let's take for example student table where student ID is there.
Student name.
Student number, student name. What you call his phone number, email ID.
Date of birth.
course he joined for, something like that is there. Suppose there is another table called marks table, so which has student number, how much score he got, and what is the grade.
Subject.
Okay, so grade like that. Okay, now student number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7, 8, like that students are there. Name of the student. Let's take A, B, C, D, like that. Let's take, for example, student 2 has taken exam. He got, let's say, 67. Student 5 has taken exam. He got, let's say, 87. Okay, student 6 have taken exam. He got 73. Actually, how many students are there?
8.
8 students.
Eight,
How many
sir.
students have taken exam?
3
Three.
3
students.
students. That means these are the only 3 records which are common in both the tables, right? Common. Which are
Yes, sir.
common?
2, 5, 6.
Only
2,
these 3
5,
records
6.
are common, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to select, I want to select student name. I want to select student name, his phone number. Okay. And I want to select what is the marks he got, score. These are the 3 columns I want to select. Okay, that means name and phone I want to select from which table?
Student table.
Student tables.
And score from marks.
Left outer.
Yeah. So if I take, I want to select which columns? Name, phone,
Phone,
and score, right?
score.
So these 2 columns are from student table. This column is from marks table, right? Yeah. How do you select this data, from these tables? So it's very simple. The select statement you tell. Now that rule you should not deviate. That rule you should not deviate. What is that? What is the syntax select?
Select.
After that you need write the columns, right?
Column name.
Yes, name.
You write all the columns.
Yes, name.
Wait.
Phone.
1 minute. You write all the columns. Either from single table or 2 tables or 3 tables or 5 tables or 10 tables or irrespective. You write all the columns. So now what are the columns I want to select? Student name,
Phone.
phone,
Comma, score.
maybe order if you want. Student name, score, phone. No
Phone.
problem. From which tables?
Student.
Student. Marks.
Student. Yeah, student. Now you need to join. Join with what?
Marks.
Mark.
On what condition? Student dot student number equal to marks
Dot S number.
So now what is the syntax usually you write? Select whatever column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, whatever it is. From table 1.
Table name. Join.
Table 2.
Table 2 on table 1 dot column equal to table 2 dot column. And the columns which are the columns which are same, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, columns which are
Similar.
Same in both tables. So this is the meaning of columns which are common in both the tables. So that you specify. Okay, so now what is the syntax you write? Select column 1, column 2, column 3 from table 1, join table 2 on table 1 dot column. In table 1 student table, student number, and marks table, student number. These 2 are same, right?
Yes, sir.
That we are joining with. So now this will get, what is the output this will display? This will display only common records in both the tables. It will display common records
In both the tables, 1 and table.
What is the output we will get here? What is the output we'll get? We'll get student name. Then what is that? Score.
Phone.
And then phone. So which student name we will get here?
2.
Student name is right?
B-E.
67.
7 and some what is his phone number, right? We'll get some phone number. Another student, 5 means E, right?
E.
We got,
87.
87 and his phone number we'll get. And who
F.
is that?
F.
Yes,
73.
73 and we'll get this. So these are the only 3 records we'll get, because these are the only 3 records which are common in both the tables, right?
Yes, sir.
This is what equijoin means. Okay. In the next chuddam, some more examples how to select data from 2 or more tables. Equijoins, so left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, self joins. Okay, then I will tell you subqueries. After joins, what we will learn? Subqueries.
Subqueries.
So joins and subqueries concept, if we discuss, then selecting data from tables, you should have understood. Okay, how to fetch the data from tables. With that, you will understand. Okay. Now we have learned only how to select data from single table.
Yes,
But
sir.
2 or more tables joins we need to understand, and subqueries also we have to understand. So with that, select statements we will complete. Okay, then I will tell you some concepts like constants. The database lo primary key, foreign key, some concepts, right? Procedures, triggers.
Foreign.
So the concepts will discuss. Constraints we call primary key, foreign key, unique key. Right, like that we will discuss that concepts. And also what is DML statements, DDL statements, what is the differences between them? What is insert a statement, how to insert a record, update a record, delete a record. Okay, that are DML statements, right? Yeah. Right, create, alter, drop, what is the differences between them? We will discuss these concepts after learning SQL. Then I will tell you DB testing concepts. What is DB testing? What is ETL testing? What is data migration testing? What should be considered? If we are doing manual means what we have to do. Automation means what are the tools where we have to use automation tools. That I will. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma. So we'll continue next Saturday as usual 7:30 time. Ma.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Can you
Thank
take
you,
a
sir.
screenshot, sir?
Yes, ma. You
Thank you,
can
sir.
take. Yeah, you can take the screenshots. Ma. 1 second.
Thank you, sir.